You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Jonathan Rose and welcome to Masters in Trading Live. Hope everybody is doing really well. We finally got those big NVIDIA earnings and the market didn't move very much. But don't worry guys, the market will move. A couple of weeks ago, I was on here and I thought the market was going to rally huge. The market ended up rallying huge. We won't always be right, but I was right then. And at that time I said, the market is so strong, we're going to see a rip your face off rally. And then I thought about it. I'm like, you know what the heck does that even mean? But it's been in my vernacular for a while. I don't know if it's from the trading floor or from somewhere else. But then I started watching a TV show. I'm not really a big TV fan. It's not every day you get good TV. I think the last show that I liked was that Tiger King show. But there's a new show, Crazy Chimp Lady. Crazy Chimp Lady is like a Tiger King type of show, but I was watching it. Poor lady gets her face ripped off. So I'm bullish. I'm not going to use that rip your face off rally anymore because just too sad watching that Crazy Chimp Lady. But nevertheless, good lesson though. Those chimps are so cute until they're 5 years old and then they can rip your face off. Let's go to the slide deck. Here it is, guys. Go check it out. It is worth every minute of your time. Not since the Tiger King has TV been so strong. It's not really, it might be a podcast too. Cuckoo. All right. Discord. Did someone say if you stare down the VIX, it's the best trading tool ever? Yes, I did. Look at the VIX. Look at VIX term structure. VIX is a measurement of volatility over 30 days, but we can look at the entire VIX term structure in order to find great trades. So looky here. Let me get my pen. 3 p.m. yesterday. 10 a.m. today. Okay? VIX term structure. 9 days. 16.73 at the end of the day. 14.44 right now. 1 year didn't really move, right? Because it's 1 year out. But look, all of these were 20, 19, 18, 16, 16. Look how much lower they are today. We are going to rally. We are going to rally. I'm not going to say that we're going to rip your face off rally because that poor chimp lady, but we should rally nice and strong. We are in the middle of building an awesome tool. Here are two examples of VIX term structure. 1 and 2. 1 day. 9 days, 23, 30, 37, 3 month, 90, 180. Okay? How much risk is in the market going all the way out? So this is bearish. Okay? These are all elevated, elevated, elevated. Risk, it's uncertain. When there's uncertainty, we're willing to pay more premium. This is bullish. Okay, besides the 1 day being nice and strong, everything else is low. When there's no risk or when the volatility indices are low, that's when you have expectations of movement to the upside. NVIDIA. How much will NVIDIA move after its earnings released? I don't know why I wrote NDA. I obviously meant to write NVIDIA. How much will NVIDIA move after earnings? Okay? And so we have earnings. They came out after the close. Now, historically, I would say NVIDIA moves maybe about 12, 13% after earnings. I always thought this was funny, and I'm not a big fan of following brokerage house recommendations because they're not recommending something for you, right? They're not looking out for you. They don't care about you. Okay? It's just marketing. They're all doing the exact same thing, just a bunch of sheep. But everybody puts up NVIDIA a little bit. We'll get into that, but I want to pull up the market right now. And let's just go over, let's look at NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA, which is really interesting to me, it hasn't moved yet. It will move, guys. Wait for it to move. The high and the low is $5, okay? NVIDIA has not moved yet. NVIDIA will move. It's just working itself out. Sometimes these things move when they're ready to move. I want to pull up a chart of NVIDIA because I want to demonstrate the lack of movement that it's had thus far. Which you'll see right here. So NVIDIA, super tight range, waiting for earnings. Now it gets earnings, okay? You have to look at right now. I think this is incredibly strong. Incredibly strong because it can't break out. So NVIDIA is strong. The QQQs are strong. I am so bullish right now, guys. And for the QQQs, and we're going to talk about an ODTE trade. Throughout the week, what have we been saying as our line in the sand? Okay, let me hear you, everybody. What have we been saying? That's correct. 475. I can't really hear you guys. I was just being a little silly. 475. Okay, that's not the best line. 475. Above bullish, below bearish. Okay? 475. We are bullish though. The market had a chance to fall. The market didn't fall, so therefore it's going to go higher. We'll share an exact ODTE trade as well. We'll come back to you. I'm going to go back to those ODTE trades. I want to get this done first because in our promotional portfolio, we have positions in PAS. 2 trades. Now, one trade was done July 30th. Second trade's right here. Look at this trade. Notice how we brought in, 70 cents, right? So say you bring in 70 cents. So now our risk on the entire position is down to 40 cents. But let's get back into this trade. So we're going to get back into this trade and we're going to add the October 21s for $1.15. So we're going to buy these again, right? But we're going out to October now. And that's how we're financing our position. October, buy to open, 21 strike for $1.15. October, buy to open, 21 strike for $1.15 in PAS. 0 days to expiration. These are called ODTE options. ODT options are any options with 1 day to go until expiration. In my vernacular, I'm going to call ODTE options really anything with like less than a week. Okay? 5 days, 3 days, 2 days, all kind of ODTE options. So remember, I just told you that I am bullish. I'm bullish NVIDIA. I'm bullish the QQQs. Under 475, this trade no longer exists. But right now, you can consider buying these 478s. 478s, buy them for $1, buy them for $1.02. This is an ODTE trade. Other trades that you may want to consider, and in our Discord room, I want you guys talking about these because you could do any kind of spread. If you buy the 479s and sell the 481s, the most that you can make is $2. The difference between those two strikes. If you buy these for 60 cents and sell these for 20 cents, you have 40 cents of risk, $40 of risk, and the most that you can make is 160 if we trade above 481. The trade that I like, keep it simple, 478s, figure out what you're comfortable risking. If you're comfortable risking $300, you may want to risk $100 now, and if you get better levels, you could tranche in to that trade. I get a lot of confidence when the VIX curve, VIX term structure gets really strong in the front end, like it has been this week, waiting on bated breath for those NVIDIA earnings. But once they come out, you get to see that vol curve get crushed, and that's when we get to see that, not rip your face off, but just a really, really strong rally. Hope it helps. Go watch some darn good TV in Crazy Chimp Lady, and I'll see you live tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern. Everybody in All Access, you guys hang on. We're going to continue talking about our earnings trades.